In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to offer your sessions online using Wix Bookings. We will begin by accessing the Booking Services tab that is located in your Wix dashboard. To do that, you need to go to the Wix homepage and log into your account. Once logged in, click on your profile picture and select Dashboard from the drop-down list. Then find and click on the Booking Services tab. Next, we will be going to add a new service. To do this, you need to click on the button that says Add a new service. After clicking it, you will be met with an array of different service types ranging from appointments to classes. Choose one that fits your particular service offering. Now, you have the option to start from scratch or select from an array of ready-made templates that best fits your service. This takes us to the second phase, which involves setting the location of your service. Under the Service Details section, find the Location drop-down menu. Here, you should choose Video Conferencing. This option enables you to connect to a video conferencing platform, such as Zoom. Simply click Add next to Video Conferencing, then select Zoom, and finally click Connect. If Zoom is not your preferred platform, do not worry. You still have the ability to use a different platform by selecting Custom and typing Online or the name of your chosen platform into the text field. Having set the platform for your online services, it's time to fill out the details of the service. In the General Info section, be sure to provide a suitable name and description for your service. It might be a good idea to add Online to the title to make it clear to clients that the service is virtual. Thereafter, move on to the Service Details segment. Here, you'll need to specify the expected duration of the service, a buffer time, and your pricing details. Assign the suitable staff members who will handle the session under the Staff segment. To make it convenient for your clients, customize the booking form fields to suit their needs. Lastly, under the Display segment, determine where the service will be shown on your site. The last step, but certainly not the least, involves scheduling your sessions and saving your settings. Go to your booking calendar to enter the specific dates and times you'll be holding your online sessions. When satisfied with your input, click the Save button. This will make your service available for booking. Congratulations! You have now successfully scheduled your sessions to be offered online on Wix Bookings.